Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and resize an image in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go ahead and go to the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com. If you have not already, from there you can get started with downloading it from the Adobe Acrobat section and installing the program. So once you've installed it, open it up, this is going to be the main page that you're greeted by, where you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at the recommended tools for you section, which is great for beginners to take a look at all the tools you can use with your PDF. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to resize images using the edit a PDF option. So the edit a PDF option is going to enable us to modify or add text, images, pages, and more. But as you can see, this is only a premium tool. You're going to need to go ahead and upgrade to the premium plan. You cannot do so with the free version of the program, but once you've done so, you're going to go ahead and be able to access it. After which we can get started following the step-by-step of this article right here on the official Adobe website on how to resize a PDF image. This is going to show you everything we can do and how we can get started. So basically guys, you're going to open up the edit PDF section that's going to give you the horizontal toolbar from where you can get started with editing using the resize image option. So if you need any more help, go to this article and read the step-by-step for your concrete case. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.